Alright, what's going on everybody? So this has been a popular video. Yes, this right here. Doesn't look as dark as when I first made it, but you can see it is holding up very well. So that's why I wanted to do this video. I get a lot of comments on the process that I used, just the appreciation of the step-by-step process that I gave to everybody. And yes, there are still some pieces you can see around that aren't that great. So I may have to do this again. Eventually we want to grade this whole thing, get it repaved professionally. I don't have it in me to do that whole job, although I probably would save some thousands, but it's just a lot of work. It's a lot of work. So, but in the meantime, this is what I'm here to discuss. So you see here, it looks pretty much like the day when I set it, except, you know, it's a little grayer. Now, you can see some of the stuff right on top. It's kind of fizzled a little bit, you know, and you can see it's been a few years. But other than that few little pebbles on top, it's still rock hard. And so this thing is held up really great. You want to hold on to that process that I used, and you'll see that it's going to work. Now, again, the thing about this is you can see my house is on a hill. So this is an even harder project than normal, where it's just all flat, and yet it's still held. So you want to use the process that I used. And I think it was pretty cheap. I mean, altogether, we're talking like, I don't know, just over $100 bucks. I think it was like maybe $150 to do this. And this is about a 15 square foot section. So it's not small at all. I feel like they suggested no more than like a 9 square foot section. But I really think as long as you have a very sound process, then you should be good to go. So again, I want to keep this quick. I wanted to do a quick video, a recap for everybody. A lot of people click on the video, so hopefully it plays through to this one and you can kind of see the follow-up. But still, if you have any questions or comments, you already know SK Lifestyle will always get back to you. Leave it in that comment section down below, and while you're there, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button as well. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time.